Hi guys, look at this assignment 3. This is the really basic Python assignment. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, so let's see what we have here in question 1. Now we look at this one. This is the programming, okay, and this is the result. As we look over here, okay, this is print apple. It will produce this. So this empty one that you need to answer over here, okay, what is missing there? Suddenly it becomes battle. And this print carrot is this one. Okay. Let's say you really don't know how to answer this line 2. Apple, missing carrot, but what is here? Okay. Now, let's say your answer is suddenly like this. Okay. Does it make sense? Okay, suddenly print apple, battle, print carrot. Okay. So, let's test it out in the Python. Okay, we are going to use this software which is called online-python.com. Use this one, guys. Okay, this is an online Python software, online-python.com. So now, let's write for apple, battle, and carrot. Okay, here I have prepared print apple. Okay, let's write down this one. Don't type with capital P. Write with the lowercase p. You need to obey, okay, the rule. Apple, missing, and print carrot. Okay, now if we run this, the result will be apple, carrot. Where is the battle? ABC, apple, battle, carrot. So let me type battle like this. What will happen, guys? Oh no, it's error. Okay, you can suddenly write down battle like this. So, as you can see here, maybe I should type print, open bracket, battle. It's very logical, guys. So this one, the programming language on the left side is a programming language, not English language or any of silly language, but it's Python programming language. So let us try this. Print with lowercase, okay, and battle. Well, sometimes, guys, this one will cause you an error if the battle is typed like this. Okay, it's not straight. Okay, the quotes, okay, it's like this. This is you are using a smart quotes. No, this is wrong. The correct one is straight one. Okay. So it's better for you to use computer or laptop rather than tablet. Tablet usually use this, okay, and it causes error when you type it in the online-python.com. When you use computer, okay, it will do like this. Okay, so let's try this one out. Battle here, print, open bracket, battle like this. Okay, let's run it. Yay, it's correct, guys. Apple, battle, carrot. So this one is the answer. Okay, after you are checking this one, you can put it over, oops, no, wrong. You can put it over here. Okay, you can delete these dots and put it over here. Okay, print battle. Now you go over here weapon input, enter weapon 1. And then here is missing. Okay, let's try this one out. Over here, weapon 1 input, enter weapon 1. Okay, and then something is missing over here, and print. You got, this is the green one, is a sentence, weapon 1, the black one, weapon and weapon 2. You got weapon 1 and weapon 2. Okay, print. Okay, you got comma weapon 1 comma and comma weapon 2. Oh yeah. Oh guys, never put space here. This variable should be one word. Okay, it should be one word. You cannot put it 2 words like this. This is 2 words. Wrong. Okay, so when you run this one, enter weapon 1. See, it's giving, when you put this one input, it will ask you a question that you can type in. So enter weapon 1, sword. Enter weapon 2, shield. You got sword and shield. So basically here, okay, this one, if you type it sword, okay, you type it here sword, then the sword will be here as in the program. Now something is missing, which is enter weapon 2. I think it will be similar. So this one is weapon 2, input, enter weapon 2. I think it's the same. So whatever the user put here, let's say in this part is shield, then it will go here. Okay? Do you understand that one? Okay, let's try in the Python. Weapon, oh, I haven't pressed run. It will go error. Okay, sword, it will go error. Why? Because here weapon 1 is sword. Yeah, it will print the weapon 1, which is sword, but the weapon 2 is empty. The computer will be confused and error. Why? There is no weapon 2, Mr. David. There's no weapon 2. So let's say weapon 2 is hamburger, for example. Hamburger. Yeah, you can put that one, hamburger. So when I run this one, enter weapon 1, sword. You got here the sword as the input. Okay, in the input here you got weapon 1, sword, but weapon 2 is hamburger. So here weapon 2 show you got sword and hamburger. But if you don't want it hamburger and leave it to the user input, let someone type it. So you can put here enter weapon 2. Yay! Now we run it. Enter weapon 1, sword. Enter weapon 2, shield. See? You got sword and shield. So this is the answer. Okay? Actually, you can put anything. Okay? Say weapon 1 is mace. Enter weapon 2 is bomb. Yeah, you got mace and bomb. Okay? So this one is the answer. You can put it over here. Okay, I hope this one you understand, and let's try to the next part. Oh yeah, this one is different. Okay, this one is asking you about the calculation of 2 numbers. Okay, look here. Okay, enter the first number is 5. Someone types 5. Okay. And someone enter second number, someone types 6. And then the computer says 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6 is 11. Okay. But when you see over here, okay, there is int. Okay, this is asking, the same question is asking someone, but the difference is there is int. Why this one we put in? It's integer, okay? But, okay, let's check this one out. Let's check for my explanation, guys. Now, let's go over here. In online Python. Okay, so num1. Look at this one, guys. Num1, let's say I put it 10, and num2, I put it 20. So, total is num1 plus num2. Print num1 plus num2 is total. Now let's run this one. What do we got? This is 10. It will be 10 plus num2 is 20, so 20 will be here. 10 plus 20 is, you see it's green. 10 plus 20 is, can you guess? Is it 30? Now let's run this one. 10 plus 20 is 1020. Huh, that's strange. Guys, look at this one. This is a fake number, okay? It's a string. It's a string. It's like a word. String. So 10 plus 20 is just like sticking words. Okay, AB plus CD is ABCD. Now, this one will say 10 word plus 20 word. Fake 10 plus fake 20 is 1020. But if I remove this quotation mark, okay, from the number, okay, but let's say if it's a word, David, like me, Mr. David, you need to put quotation mark because it's a word. But when it's a number, you can remove the quotation mark to be a real number that can be counted. Okay, it's not just a fake word or just a string. Okay, now let's run this one. 10 plus 20 is 30. This is correct. Okay, now what is the relationship of this one with this question? Okay, guys, look at this integer. Okay, if I don't put integer, it will be asking about fake number. Let me try this one. Input, enter first number. Okay, enter first number, enter second number. Enter first number, as you can see here, enter first number 5, enter second number 6. So we ask the user to type. We are not choosing 10 or 20, but we will leave it to the user to answer. Enter second number. Okay? Now, if we run this one, what will happen? 10 plus 20. Is it 1020 or 30? It's 1020, guys. Because if you ask for input over here, it will ask you about fake number, which is the fake 10, like this. Okay? A fake 10. If you want to make it to be a really real number, you have to put integer. Okay? So it will be real 10, not just a fake 10. Okay? You want to really 20, not a fake 20, put integer. Okay, now let's run this one. Enter first number 10, enter second number 20. It will be, hey, it's 30. It's correct, guys. You're so cool. And Mr. David is too. So now, let's say this is 9, this is 5. 14, not 95. Okay, let's copy here, and line 1 should be this one. And the first number, after you check it in Python, then you can put your answer here, because this is the correct one. Of course, it's tested. Okay, it's tested. But in the test, I'm not allowing you to use Python, but strictly you answer this. Okay, because you have experience a lot, then you know how to answer it without checking in Python software. But since this one is assignment, yeah, you can check it with Python software. Okay, in the test, you are not allowed to use it. But then you straightly answer this. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, this one, num1, integer, input first number, and number 3, it's total. Why we need to put total? Because we need 11. So you see here, okay guys, look at this one. Why number 3 is this total num1 plus num2. Num1 plus num2. It needs total. So this total will be created over here first by having total equals to num1 plus num2. If you want to make multiplication, you can write down num1 times num2. Times is using star, guys. Okay? Don't use x. Num1 x num2, wrong. Okay? Num1 x num2, it's wrong. If you want to use division, you use this slash. Okay? Negative is, okay, plus, negative, times, and slash. Okay, let's test this one out in Python. Now, if I put this one as a star, okay, let's run this one. 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, this is multiplication. Oh, not this one, it's x. Okay, we just put a symbol x. This one is just to make a symbol. Okay, so here is just a text. It's not important. Okay, it's just a text like this. Now I run this one more time. 9 times 7. Can you guess? Yes, it's 63. 9x is just a symbol for times here. Okay, so some people doesn't understand what is star. This is the programming star or multiplication in programming. But x, okay, is a common one for common people to understand. 9 times 7 equals to, here is just a symbol, and then you put 63. Okay guys, I have answered these 3 questions. I hope you understand about Python more. Thank you. Have a nice day.